I'm just recording.
Mango.
I'm scared. Oh. Well, give someone to the other one. Look at him.
There you go. There you go. Okay, buddy.
Give some to your sister.
I know, he's right in there. Here. 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 There you go. Oh,
Oh, God. He's loading.
there you go.
Oh.
This guy's like, here.
Eric, where are we?
We're in Mexico.
And what are you doing?
Feeding a monkey. He's fighting me for it. Oh, that's the door. It peels back over. So I guess it's true. Monkeys do like bananas.
He's talking to his buddy up there. Who's up there?
Another monkey. Look, if I move back, he's probably gonna keep pushing.
Let's go.
Okay, well, you can stop now.
You gonna stop now?
That was awesome. I'm going back to Canada, sadly. Eric out. There are two others up there. I just saw more than one.
Here, look, here it comes. Here it comes. Hi, baby.
That's awesome. There's the other one.
There's the other one. Look at him, he's got the banana in his mouth.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Monkey.
There he goes. There he goes. Okay.
Oh,
Hi.
just the baby.
There you go, baby.
Look at him.
Leave me alone. Me eat it.
Hey, baby.
I said, leave me alone. Me eat it.
Okay.
If you don't know what he's complaining about,
Eric, here, look.
it's that we're not
Look,
on our
he's
bus
eating the
yet.
apple.
Oh, he's freaking out.
Look at him.
That's your baby, Eric.
Yeah, I know it's a baby. I already told the camera that's it. Well, his brothers are gone.
Oh! Alright, let's go, Eric.
Alright. Bye, little baby. Hope you enjoyed. Eric out.